But this is not a credit instrument, price bond. The objective of clearinghouse clear the transaction of member banks. This control circulation of credit money. Central bank giving reference to banking through electronic means. This is not an ancestor of bank accountant. Bank does not pay interest on the following current account. In case of alteration in check, his signature is required. Drawer. This is not a financial institution, oil and gas company. The letter of credit issued by importers bank. Lender of last resort for commercial bank, central bank होता है. Cashier check is called bank draft. The first ever regular bank in banking history, Bank of Venus. Crossing of a check which contains the name of a particular bank is called special crossing. This is not included in the quantitative method of credit control. Legislation. Notice must be served. Bill of exchange